Hello, welcome back to Limonzi Kitchen. Thank you guys for coming back to my kitchen. In this video we are going to prepare Italian local dish, pasta with tomato sauce. This is one of Italian popular local dish and it's their favorite. So this one with tomato sauce. We have different kinds of pasta and its preparation, but this one with pasta with tomato sauce, and I've added my sliced garlic and onions. So I'm going to fry this until it turns a little bit brown. So I'm going to use already made pasta sauce. Yes, already made pasta sauce. You can also make the pasta sauce at home. I also made a video on how I'm going to make my pasta sauce at home, but this is already made pasta sauce. It consists of tomato and pepper. So I'll add in my blended tomato and pepper. This is already made pasta sauce. Yes, you can. The Italians, after cooking their pastas, they just add this sauce to their pasta and they are good to go. But for me, I'm a Ghanaian. My tank is different from theirs, so I need to fry it a little bit. Then add some eggs for garnishing to give it extra taste. For them, after the pasta is cooked, they add the sauce to it, and you know, a white man tank is different from mine. So this is how I prepare. Yeah, but it tastes the same, just that their own look very fresh because of the raw tomato. So you are going to fry this. Add little pepper because already they added pepper to the sauce, but the pepper was less, so I need to add little pepper and sprinkle little salt on top. If you have any other seasoning like black pepper, you can also add it to give it extra taste. So I'm going to fry this until some of the water dries out and the egg too is well cooked. Then add my pasta to it. Say I am looking for a sister. Show mama lover. So the sauce is well cooked, so I'll add my pasta and put it on a low medium heat until I stir everything in order for the pasta to absorb all the stew. Then your pasta with tomato sauce is ready. Note this one is already made pasta sauce I used. I'll also make another video on how to make this homemade tomato pasta sauce without the already made pasta sauce. So this is how we prepare our Italian pasta with tomato sauce. Very simple and very delicious. Very delicious. You can also cook the pasta, the tomato already made pasta sauce, you add it, then you are good to go. That's how they eat their own, but my tank is different, so I prefer mine this way and it's amazing. Thank you guys for watching to an end. God bless you. See you guys on the next video. Before my liver start to fail, you're the one I need. Before cause I will start to hate if I ever leave. What I got to me to go